welcome back to Play With Us.
Hello, in this video I'll be playing with a toy from LEGO Star Wars, and it's the X-Wing Fighter. This playset comes with 97 pieces, so let's watch the assembly and play with it. Alright, so now that we got it put together, let's take a closer look at the figures that come in this playset. And here's the guy that comes with it. He looks pretty cool. He's got a gun in his hand, and he's got a helmet on, and I think that's pretty cool looking. He looks really cool overall. He's in an orange suit, and you could just set him down in his ship like this, and he snaps right into place. Now let's take a closer look at the X-Wing Fighter. My favorite thing about it is the wings are shaped like an X, and each wing comes with a missile. You can see them, so let's take a look at that action. The way you want to launch them is you just put your finger on the back of it and just push out, and it'll fly out. So let's look at that one more time. So that's pretty cool. Overall, it's a really cool playset. I enjoyed putting it together. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch out for more videos from Play With Us.